What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. We're just going to be doing a quick voiceover in this one. We're prepping a new driveway that we're installing / parking area. They're going to be doing crushed asphalt, and we're also filling in like a big valley that they got between the two sides of the drive. So you'll see us using a bunch of the material we strip off and dump it in the middle as fill. Once again, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share, do whatever you can to get this video out there. We appreciate it more than anything, and we'll continue out the video. But yeah, you can see us stripping everything down, getting it all prepped, and we're getting it all ready because we're going to be hauling in some sand and filling in the low areas with sand, grading it up, and then installing a geotextile fabric to put in between the crushed asphalt and the sand. That way it creates a better stabilization and packs better. But yep, we'll let you get back to the video.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel.
What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys are all doing well today. Recording this on Thanksgiving. Yeah, this is some easy ways you can make money with the skid steer. So you can see we got all the sand and everything spread, the sub base, and we're gonna, like I said earlier in the video, we're gonna install the geo fabric underneath, and then we're gonna start spreading the asphalt. Typically, we usually, like when we bid these jobs, we usually bid it for 3 to 4 inches of crushed asphalt. And that's before compaction. That's important because if the customer's like, oh, there's not 4 inches here. Sir, like, it's already compacted and drove on. Like, you lose 1.5 inch at least. Like, it's definitely there. But anyways, yeah, like if you just got a skid steer and a dump trailer, like, these are easy ways you can get started on your own, like, in business. And you can literally, like, just advertise for doing, like, gravel driveways or like whatever you like, crushed asphalt, crushed concrete, limestone, whatever kind of stone is in your area. Just advertise for doing gravel driveways. These are easy, simple, and quick, and usually they're pretty profitable too, because you could usually pick up the material fairly cheap, and then you charge for the trucking, and then I mean a minimum, if it's a small driveway, usually charge at least $1,000 for install. So, I mean, usually you can do at least 50% profit on most of these. A lot of times you can do 100% profit. But, yeah, don't forget, check out our merch store. Got the Dirtworks TV hat. Pretty awesome. Says, "We dig America" on the back of it. Yeah. But, yeah, let's get this asphalt installed and get you guys out of here. If you got any questions, please hit us up in the comments below. It helps the algorithm get this video out there, get it pumping. Let's go. Once again, we appreciate you guys watching the video, and don't forget to click in the icon above to watch a bunch more of our videos, or just subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it.